أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق Cela Allah angivikele kusathane ongathandwa egameni lika Allah onomusa onesihawu umdala uthi asifundeni ngizoloku ngigcizelele lokho umdala uthi asifundeni khona sizoba nolwazi egameni lakhe umdala ufuna sibe nolwazi ufuna sihlakaniphe ufuna sikhaliphe so ngithe mina ngolwazi lwami oluncane enginalo ngokwe research yami ngizolethekela nje izwe libone ubungozi labantu laba abaqale lento yezinophobia ubungozi abasifaka kubo ubungozi bona self abazifaka kubo bona nobungozi abafaka izwe lethu kubo lalela from Democratic Republic of Congo DRC South Africa is importing copper from DRC. Cobalt is a substance that is used in batteries, ema-batterini. Ma-batterini le moto ezihamba ngawo. Ama-battery la enilukuzana eniwasebenzisayo enifaka amatoshi, ama-lights in. Leyo substance leyo cobalt leyo is from DRC. Cabanga mase bevale lelo zibuko lelo. Have you thought about that? Electricity no gas futhi ukhona esiutholayo oqhamuke eDRC futhi bafowethu vulana amehlo bese kuba diamonds we are being supplied by the DRC Democratic Republic of Congo by diamonds. So South Africa, wake up and smell the worth of the nation before it's too late. Wake up and smell the worth of the nation. We are heading for disaster. Labantu laba bawu-4 engibabalile, ubaba uNdabandaba, ubaba uNgizwe Mchunu, ubaba uXolani Khumalo, umama lo uJacinta. We are heading for disaster. Basiholela ophathe. Basiholela ophathe. Egameni lokuthi bayalungisa. Yebo bona bayalungisa kodwa balungisa ngendlela wrong. Balungisa ngendlela wrong. Their timing is sucks. Timing yabo iyabheda. Bazosifaka enkingeni labantu laba. Bakhuzeni ke. Nani ninelimasha nabo vulana amehlo. Bakhuzeni ngoba niseduze kwabo. You are heading for disaster. Nongena emanyaleni nogaxela nokhala kusasa nokhalela umzuzu siyanikhuza sibadala dala sibona dala siwadla anhlambana dala sibadla okhisimusi siyanikhuza khuzekani bese kuba izwe la kuphi bese kuba izwe lase Cameroon. Trade is smaller but relevant. Cameroon. Their trade with us is very small but is relevant. Ibalulekile. Timber. Allahu Akbar. Wood products. Inkuni. Mahlathi. From Cameroon is supplying South Africa with timber, wood products. Crude oil. No oil food is a taller from a Cameroon. Agricultural products like cocoa. Leyenziwa ngayo coffee. Coffee from Cameroon. Cabanga ukuthi makuvala ucocoa necoffee la eSouth Africa kuzokwenzakalani. Bafowethu. Ake sivuleni amehlo, asibakhuzeni ngempela labantu laba. Ake ngiqhubeke. Ghana ezweni lika baba uNkwane Nkrumah, one of the greatest leaders of Africa. Yini esi-importer noma esi-supplier yiGhana to South Africa? Cocoa and cocoa paste, crude oil ongahluziwe, igolide, gold. Bafowethu, vulani ingqondo. Nginibonisa nje mina inkinga esibhekene nayo uma ngempela labantu laba bedecide ukuthi wonke lamazibuko ayavalwa. Niyayibona ke zonke izinto le uma ngithi sidlala ngegeja kuziliwe. Labantu laba bayenza lezi zinto lezi abagqugquzela le march le badlala ngegeja kuziliwe. Lithium is from Zimbabwe. Copper and cobalt from DRC. Aluminium from Mozambique. Gold and diamonds from Cameroon and Nigeria. DRC, Zimbabwe. Tobacco, tea, cocoa, and fruits. Petroleum oils, natural gas, some agricultural goods. Zambia, copper, cobalt, battery industrial use, sugar and food products from Zambia. Tobacco, ukwai, iron and steel, ceramics, fruits and agricultural goods from Zambia. Angola to South Africa. Angola is one of the most important oil suppliers to South Africa. Angola, oil, petrol, paraffin, diesel, Angola. Crude oil, petroleum, precious stones. You know what I'm talking about when precious stones, rubies, pearls. From where? Angola. Electrical equipment, wood products, Angola. Tanzania to South Africa. Tanzania supplies a mix of minerals plus agriculture, light manufacturing, gold, precious metals, coffee, tea, spices, clothing and textiles, fruits and nuts, plastic and small manufactured goods from Tanzania to South Africa. Ngiyathemba ke ingane zakwethu lento le nginitshele yona iyayithola indawo endlebeni zenu, emehlweni enu, enhlizweni zenu, empilweni zenu. Angiphoqe umuntu kodwa ngivula abantu bakithi amehlo babone ingozi esinyonyobelayo ngokwenza izinto budedengu. Sengathi umdala ngasivula amehlo asivula ingqondo. Akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.